The full screen points list is a feature that allows you to see detailed information about points and also to edit points. So the default points view is the data panel on the left-hand side, but if you want to get into the full screen points list, look down in the bottom left corner where we can pick the full screen icon. So that allows us to see more detail, and if we want to delete or edit points, I can pick on the further options and that will appear. Alternately, I can reach the full screen points list by going back to the main menu, going into Project Data, asking for information about points. There you go. That's how we get to the full screen points list. Thank you.